bright sunny day today. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl SLT, and today I have a rainbow shop haul. Came just a few moments ago and came in this big enormous bag. I have a few items here that I wanted to show you guys, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will have the links below for some other hauls that I've done recently. I'm not in my glam room today. I'm in one of my bedrooms, so you won't see the normal backdrop here today. But let me go ahead and get this video started. I bought a few pieces this time. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. If you haven't already seen any of my other videos, you know in the first haul that I do, I'm basically just pulling them out the bag and showing you guys. The next video will be me actually taking them out of the small bags that's in the bigger bag, and I will actually show them against my body so you can get an idea of what the pieces look like. So let me go ahead and start with this. The first one that I have, this is, and this is also a good sale that Rainbow had. This is actually a jumper that I purchased. And I'm just gonna open this right quick. I'm not gonna show you guys. I probably will show you guys. But I'm not gonna show you guys the whole thing because I had actually planned on wearing this, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear it because it is a large. And for those who have not seen any of my videos, you know that I am on a weight loss journey. So most of my items that I'm purchasing, it is a large. But this is a taupe jumpsuit. The regular price on this one was $15.97. I think I purchased this for $10. It won't sale for $10. I'm going to also post the pricing at the end of the video. The second one, this one is actually a cargo pants, and this is also like that linen type material, the same as the first jumper. Does not stretch. It only stretches at the waist. This actually has the cuff at the bottom as well as the stretch waist at the top. And this one was $14.99. I also got this on sale for $10. It is like a pink or rose gold color. And the next item, this is actually a jumpsuit. I bought this in a large. It's like a camo jumpsuit. And again, I will show you guys again after I pull them out of the bag so you can get an idea of what it actually looks like. The third item, this is actually a denim jumpsuit, and it has like the sleeve. It's a sleeveless denim jumpsuit. I bought this in a large because it does stretch. I'm not sure if I can actually wear this one right now, but I will take it out the bag in the next video and you will get an idea as to what it looks like. I also have pictures that I'm going to post on this as well. And the next item, this is also a jumpsuit, but it is a leopard print jumpsuit. This one was on sale. This is an extra large. I believe I can wear this one now. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna try it and see. This one was on sale for $10. And this is actually super cute. I definitely had to have this. This is a denim, it's a denim bustier bodysuit. And I bought this in a large, and I believe I can probably wear this now. I'm gonna try this on as well, but you guys will see it again. This was on sale for, I believe I paid $12 or $14 for this. Yeah, the regular price is $16.97. It was on sale for $14. The next item, what was this? These are some linen pants that I purchased, and these were on sale for $10. And this one actually has the cuff at the bottom as well, with the gathering up at the top, and that is in black. And again, I'm gonna have the pictures of these on there as well. This is, I believe, the stretches, but let me just double check. This is also that linen type material. This is a tie-dye It's just like the other cuff pants, but this one is in tie-dye, and this was actually $19.97. This was on sale for $10, I believe, as well. And this is also another cargo pants. I bought this in extra large, and this is like a seafoam print, a mint color. This one was actually also on sale for $10. And I believe that's it, but it looks like they actually gave me a free razor, Skintimate Bloom razor with it, which is super needed. So thank you, Rainbow, for the free gift. Really appreciate it, because I'm definitely going to need it this weekend. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys again in the next video when I take them out of the bag. You'll get a visual of what the items look like. Rainbow does have a good sale going on right now, so if you haven't already gone to their website, go ahead and go to their website. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys again haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have some of the links below to my other videos. Go ahead and like if you like this video. Comment if you want to comment on this video. If there's anything that you would like to see me post or do, just hit me up on my email address below. And again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel, and you guys having a wonderful day. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Thank you. Bye.